Hello friends, today we will see here the distance relay. The distance relay are designed to detect the faulty points in the electric circuit. Its operation depends on the measured impedance value. The relay will trip electric circuit immediately if the impedance of the tested flow point goes below the relay impedance. The current and electrical voltage through the CT and PT are mentioned continuously using the relay, and its operation starts once the voltage and current ratio becomes less compared to the predetermined relay impedance value. So the distance relay is also referred to as the impedance relay or distance protection element or the voltage control device. So its working, it is mainly depends on the distance between the impedances of the points where the fault occurs and where the relay is installed. So the relay gets operated when the ratio of voltage and current is set to predetermined value or less than the relay. This type of relay is used for the backup protection, fault protection, phase protection, and main protection of transmission distribution line. So why we are using the distance relay? Because distance relay are generally used for the phase fault, primary, and the backup protection on sub transmission line and on transmission line where the high speed automatic reclosing is not necessary to maintain the stability and where short time delay or for the end zone fault on to be tolerated. Now the next we will see what is the distance relay. The main circuit diagram for the distance relay. So in this diagram we will see here, this is the diagram regarding distance relay. This distance relay we have to connect it to the transmission line. So in this condition, that first we will see the normal condition and second we will see the under fault condition. So under normal condition it is also referred to operating condition. That means this is the simply because restoring torque or the line voltage goes higher than the deflecting torque or the current. That means we have to see here the one the uh, when the system is here and in between the z in between the point a and b we have to connect here the distance relay. Okay, this is the transmission line, and in between this transmission line we have to connect the a and b parameters are here with the distance relay. This zs and zl is nothing but this is the impedance. Okay, so from the figure, the distance relay is connected the distance point between the A and the B with an impedance Z while in the operating condition. Okay. Now the relay will start the functioning only if the impedance of the transmission line becomes less than the Z impedance of the distance relay. That means this condition is also referred as the operating condition, but this is simply because restoring torque or voltage goes higher than the deflecting torque or the current. But when it should be the operated, when the relay will start the functioning, I again repeat, only if when the impedance of the transmission line becomes less than the impedance of the distance relay. Okay. Now, whenever the fault condition occur, so when the fault condition occur, there exists a chance that a fault will occur on the transmission line. The moment of this current, the moment of this current magnitude goes higher than that of the voltage. When the fault occur in the system, this current is maximum than the maximum than the voltage. So this statement that means the line current is inversely proportional to the relay impedance. So this line current is inversely proportional to the line impedance. So this relay will start operating under this condition because line impedance will decreases and to a value, this is that is the value, that means the value below of the impedance that is already predetermined. Okay, So what is the meaning of this? When we have to connect it in between the A and B, there is the distance relay. So when the fault condition is exist, so in the chance of the fault occur, the transmission line, the moment of the current magnitude goes higher than that of this voltage. So it means this line current is inversely proportional to the relay impedance. So relay will start operating under this condition. So because the line impedance will decreases at to be the value that is the below value of the impedance that is already predetermined. So there is the theory again, what is the normal condition and what is the fault condition. Now there are the some different types of the distance relay, impedance relay, reactance relay, and the admittance relay. So impedance relay, that means we have to refer only with the Z. So it means it is suitable for phase fault protection of the transmission line at the moderate length. And this impedance relay we are using for the medium transmission line. Second is the reactance relay. So what is the reactance relay? It is depending upon the value of the reactance, and it is suitable for the ground fault protection of the line, and it is used for the short transmission line. Then admittance it is also called as the Moore relay. So this admittance, it is depending it is the it is showing in the Y, and it is used for phase fault protection for the long transmission line. That means we have to use for to severe power surges occur, and also of the distance measurement. If any fault occur, then the distance relay start workings depends on the value of impedance or admittance or the reactance. Thank you.